You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce this curious word correctly in English? Let's break it down. There are different pronunciations in English. It's the human form is better known as HMPV. So in British English, the pronunciation is as meta, pneumo, the P is silent, and then virus. Overall, the pronunciation goes as metapneumovirus. Now in American English, in the US, it's often pronounced as meta, with a flap T that sounds like a D, metapneumovirus, rather than pneumovirus. In the US is pneumovirus. So American English, metapneumovirus, while in the UK, British English, metapneumovirus. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.